Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn some important points related to the lesson World Between the World Wars from the 10th class Social Studies textbook. The 20th century. Eric Hobsbawm, a historian, called the 20th century the age of extremes because in this century the average life expectancy rate was growing higher because of new discoveries in the field of medicine. Literacy levels also became high, that is, more people had access to better education. New art forms like movies also became known. In the field of science, new discoveries were made about life and atoms. More than 100 countries became independent all over the world. Some countries, like the USSR, experimented with socialism. Some other countries, like the USA, adopted liberal democracy. At the beginning of the 20th century, the world was divided into developed industrialized countries of the West and colonized many countries of Asia and Africa. The industrialized countries had split into two enemy groups or blocs. Germany, Austria, and Hungary were on one side, and Britain, France, and Russia were on the another side. Each group wanted to dominate over the world, which led to the occurrence of world wars. The First World War began in 1914. China, Japan on the east, and the US on the west took part in the war. The First World War ended in 1918. Britain and France defeated Germany and its allies in the war. Causes for the World Wars: aggressive nationalism. The ideology of nationalism was a positive impulse. Many newly formed modern nations were created in Europe because of people's strong feeling of nationalism. It was also the force behind the unification of Germany and Italy. Italian fascism and National Socialism of German Nazis were the other forms of aggressive nationalism in destructive mode from 1923. Imperialism. By the end of the 19th century, there was a race for colonies between the European powers. This created a lot of tension, often leading to wars. Secret alliances. After defeating France in 1870, Bismarck, the German Chancellor, wanted to isolate France. He made a secret alliance with Austria in 1879 and Italy and Austria in 1882. Hence, it was called Triple Alliance. France made a mutual alliance with Russia in 1891 and with Britain in 1904. To protect itself, Russia, France, and Britain formed their triple entity in 1907. Militarism. Militarism is the belief that military power is the best way to ensure security and to solve problems. The military expenditure of the six powerful countries increased by over three times. That is from 132 million pounds to 397 million pounds during the years from 1880 to 1914. Balkan politics. In the Balkan Peninsula, people were being ruled under the Ottoman Turkey Empire. After the fall of Ottoman Empire, Austria, Germany, Turkey, Russia competed for the supremacy over the area. Moreover, Russia and Turkey were trying to control the Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea region into their hands for a long time. Immediate cause. On June 28, 1914, a Bosnia Serb assassinated the Crown Prince Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria Hungary. Austria asked Serbia for the explanation on this. Austria declared war on Serbia after the unsatisfactory reply of Serbia on 20th July 1914. This was the immediate cause of the First World War. As Serbia was on the side of Britain, France, and Russia, they came to support it. Germany and its group also decided to jump into the war in support of Austria. This was called the First World War. The countries which were participated on behalf of Austria were known as Central Powers, whereas the other group was called as Allied Powers. Russia withdrew from the war by making treaty with Germany in 1917. US also jumped into the war on behalf of allied countries when German troops sunk its commercial ship Lusitania in 1917. Thus, allied powers became victorious in the war. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.